Walang nangyari. Oh, dapat naglagay ka talaga diyan yung pinagkakatiwala ng tao, hindi yung pinakakinaiinisan ng tao. Oh, ito pa. Oh, ang dami nating ipe-play. Oh, ito, pasok.
That from this document
Counsel may do so.
that your wife is one of the endorsers of this House resolution. Can you confirm that?
Yes, the name is sir.
It's there. Okay. Now, there's a signature page also. This document is not numbered, but it appears that it's around page 19. Can you confirm if this is your wife's signature?
I think I have no authority to confirm the signature.
Tayo dyan. Dito pa lang patay na siya eh. Oh, nung tinanong siya, do you confirm whose signature is this? Oh yes, sa NBI agent ko yan. Oh, do you confirm whose signature is this? Yes, sa NBI agent ko yan. So alam niya. Oh, bakit mo alam na sa NBI agent mo yan? Bay, syempre, NBI agent ko yan eh. NBI agent ko yan, boss. Alam ko yan. Oo, nakita ko, pinirmahan yan. NBI agent ko yan, pre. Oh, puta, eto na. Nung inilabas yung impeachment complaint, ito na. May pirma yung misis niya. Putang ina niyan. Oh, ito, kaninong pirma to? Sa misis mo? Oh, anong sagot?
Even if she's my wife.
So you can confirm the signature of your NBI agent but not your wife?
It appeared to be her signature.
Patay tayo dyan. So, pirma ng misis mo to? Hindi ako expert. It appears to me that it's her signature but I'm not an expert. I don't know if it's her real signature. Patay. Oh, sa leeg ang tama dito. Ay, ina niya. Hiningal eh. Sabihin mo na lang kasi, oo, sa asawa ko yan. Oh, hindi lang naman yung asawa ko pumirma. Marami para mga kakampi si Pangulong Duterte. Kasi dito, mabibisto, na traidor sila pareho. Oh, tumulong sa asawa niya manalo, mga Duterte dyan sa Laguna. Siya, dati siyang Duterte, nag-PDP laban pa, tapos ngayon kalaban na. Oh, so, na-expose dito, bukod dun sa conflict of interest, na itong mga ito, walang loyalty ito. Oo, yari. Lumaki butas ng ilong eh.
But I have not confronted with the document so that I can compare it.
At any rate, Your Honor, may we allow?
With the NBI, it's different. I testified earlier that it was presented to me, and I asked him if he signed it, and I'm familiar to his signature because he's always making submission to my office.
Oh. So, pamilyar yung pirma ng abogado, o pirma ng NBI, pero yung asawa mo, katabi mo araw-araw, kasama mo kumain, may anak kayo, pinakasalan mo, hindi mo alam pirma niya. Putang ina, pirma niya sa marriage contract nyo, makikita mo yun eh. Sa mga joint accounts ninyo, yung pirma niya, makikita mo yun eh. Sa mga ano ninyo, sa mga kung ano man, yung mga kontrata na pinapasok nyo, nakasama mo yung asawa mo, pipirmahan, kita mo yun eh. So alam ko, ako ha, yung pirma ng nanay ko, kasi nga, yung nanay ko, putyang ina, alam ko na yung pirma niya eh. Nung elementary ko, puro palakol yung grade ko eh. Puro palakol yung grade ko, nakakahiya. So, nung mga una, nakita ko yung pirma ng nanay ko. Tapos, putya siguro mga 3 beses pumipirma yung nanay ko. Habang pumipirma siya, nagmumura siya. Tang ina ka talagang bata ka. Wala ka na talagang pinagkatandaan. Hayop ka. Hanggat hindi natatapos yung pirma ng nanay ko, yung pagmumura sa akin nun, hindi natatapos. Tang ina, ito lang ang ipapipirma mo sa akin. Itong grado na ito, demonyo ka. Walang hiya ka. Ang taas-taas ng grade mo sa values education. Sa GMRC tsaka sa religion, ang taas ng grade mo. Pero bastos ka sa bahay. Walang hiya ka. Oo, ang bobo mo sa math dito, pero ang galing mo mag-compute ng mga ginagawa mo sa bahay. Nako-compute mo yung mga ginagawa mo rito. Nagugas na ako kahapon eh. Ako na nga nagwalis kanina eh. Nako-compute mo yung mga ginawa mo, pero putang ina yung mathematics mo pala ko walang hiya ka. Habang hindi natatapos yung pirma ng nanay ko, sa ilang beses tumatak na sa sa isip ko yun. Ako na pumipirma ng pirma ng nanay ko. Sa sobrang alam ko yung pirma ng nanay ko. Putang ina yan, mahirap yung pirma ng nanay ko. Putya, nagagawa ko yun. Tayo na nagugulat ang nanay ko, hoy, 4 na taon na, wala na akong pinipirmahang card. Putang ina mo, nag-aaral ka pa ba? Oo, ma. Tangina, saan yung mga card mo? Ayos na yon. Huwag mo nang isipin yun. Dadagdag mo pa yan sa isipin mo. Problema mo na yung kuryente, tubig, pagkain natin. Poproblemahin mo pa, pati yung grade ko. Huwag na. I'm giving you a favor. Ako nang bahala dun. Okay yan, huwag ka mag-alala. Putang ina niya, nakatapos ako eskwela, wala sa pinipirmahan. Diba? Alam ko yun. Pucha, ikaw pa, asawa mo, hindi mo alam pirma ng asawa mo. Kahit isang mata lang bukas sa'yo, alam mo yan. Sinungaling ka. Yun ang ibig sabihin, sinungaling ka.
Alright, that's okay. At any rate, Your Honor, may we request, Your Honor, that we be allowed to submark this particular portion. Again, this is
May
already
we
part
request,
of the
Your Honor,
records.
that the witness be confronted first with the document, and
We
may
will
we
do that,
request as well that the assisting counsel for the prosecution be allowed to approach.
We will do
Assisting
that.
counsel for the respondent may please
Ano, magaling ba ako? Hindi nga kayo nagpapakulay eh. Kung magaling ako, magpapakulay kayo dyan. Mantakin mo ha. Saan kayo makakita ng ganyang vlogger, natutuwa ka na, natatawa ka pa. At the same time, naiinis ka, hindi nyo na alam kung anong nararamdaman nyo ngayon. Natataiba kayo, nagugutom ba kayo, magtatanghalian ba kayo. Hindi nyo na alam kung anong gagawin nyo. Ganyan nga galing ang mga banatero. Sa banateros lang meron yan. Consistent yan. Di ba? Oh, naalala nyo, no? Oo nga, no? Putang ina, puro pahirap pala binigay ko sa magulang ko. Puro pahirap ang binigay ko sa magulang ko. Hanggang ngayon sa magulang ko pa rin ako nakatira, walang hiya, oh. Di ba? Ganyan kayo kamahal ng mga magulang nyo. Wala kayong kwentang mga tao, inaalagaan kayong mga magulang nyo.
Confront the witness with a document in the presence of assisting counsel for the prosecutor before counsel for respondent requests it to be marked. Witness will kindly look at the document and answer their question.
May I first manifest, Your Honor, that the document being presented to the witness is a photocopy.
Your Honor, if
Oy, yung make-up mo, isagad mo, hanggang dito sa batok, putang ina nakikita. Yung mga bakokang mo sa mukha, nakikita, oh. Luistro, alam mo yung sama ng ugali mo, lumalabas sa mukha mo. Putang ina, kahit inumin mo, mumugin mo yung eskinol. Hindi na talaga aayos yan, nasa ugali na yan, eh. Tingnan mo yung tsura ni ano dito, oh. Putang ina, parang inaagnas na.
we can agree that the court's copy be submarked, Your Honor. And we request, Your Honor, that the first page that we showed and the signature page,
The Sergeant, the Secretary General of the Senate. Kindly confront the witness with the document so that he may answer intelligently.
if you know only, Director
Your,
Matibag.
Your Honor,
Yes,
respectfully,
that is the
if I may say something. in the
Yes,
Quadrilabi,
Director Matibag.
in order to save time in the questioning of
Yes! In order to save time, ayaw mo na.
the defense counsel, I think he's going to the position if my wife endorses the article of impeachment so that we save time and it's on record. It's a matter of public notice. Yes, my wife is one of the endorsers of the impeachment.
Umamin siya, may conflict of interest. Asawa niya, yung endorser, tapos witness siya ng kabila. Oh, so conflict of interest. So doon pa lang, wala na, patay na, inamin niya na, tapos nalaban. Wala na. Oh, ano pa pinag-uusapan natin? Ano sabi ni Ridon? Hindi daw nila natibag si Matibag. Puta, umamin eh. Paano hindi matibag yung umamin?
Be noted. Counsel, move on.
All right, thank you for that admission, Director Matibag. And despite that spousal relationship that you admitted, you decided to appear and testify today, correct?
My decision to be a witness is by virtue of a subpoena issued by the Honorable Court and by invitation of the Committee on Justice and the prosecution. However, the job of my wife as a legislator is totally detached from me being the director of the National Bureau.
Hindi pwede yun. Hindi pwedeng detached. Oo, conflict of interest yun. Bawal na bawal kasi yun eh. Oo, bawal yan, conflict of interest. Hindi pwedeng detached. Congresswoman, pinapa-impeach si Inday. Yung asawa, galit kay Inday. Nung naging NBA director, tinrabaho si Inday. Anong tawag dun? Pinersonal nyo si Inday. May personal kayong agenda galit kay Inday Sara na hindi natin maintindihan kung saan ang gagaling. Yun yung gustong patunayan dito at napatunayan nyo ni Binluan. Napatunayan nyo ni Binluan na kayong mag-asawa to begin with, gigil na kayo kay Inday Sara. Kaya nung napunta kayo sa kapangyarihan, tinratrabaho nyo na si Inday Sara. Hindi na kayo na tumitingin ng iba pang mga anggulo. Nakafocus kayo kay Inday Sara. Gusto nyo lang talagang sirain si Inday Sara. Kasangkapan kayo sa pagsira kay Inday Sara. Yun ang problema. Yun yung pinuprove dito at umaming ka naman.
Of investigation.
Okay, my next question is, but the court did not issue a subpoena for you to appear today.
Actually,
Are you saying that you receive a subpoena despite this honorable court not issuing a subpoena?
Ayan na, natataranta na siya. Tangin na nyo, tulong. Tulong. Kasi kailangan, para pumunta ka dyan, sinubpina ka. Hindi siya sinubpina, pumunta siya dyan. Anong ibig sabihin? Nag-volunteer siya. Bakit ka nag-volunteer pumunta dyan? Witness ka, wala ka naman palang na-witness, tapos nandiyan ka. Are you here by virtue of subpoena? Hindi ka naman pala pinatawag ng korte, nandiyan ka. Anong ginagawa mo dyan? Doon pa lang, mali na.
Subpoena for you?
even if there's no subpoena in the pre-trial order, I was mentioned to be a witness, and I was invited by the prosecution to be a witness. And from my understanding, in the pre-trial order, I was also listed by the defense. I will be gladly witness for the defense as well if I will be called upon.
All right, but which is which? Are you appearing today by virtue of a subpoena or without a subpoena?
I'm appearing today as a witness as called upon and announced by the Honorable Court and by the invitation also of the
No, that's
prosecution.
not my question, Director Matibag. You're a lawyer.
Hindi yan yung question, Director Matibag. Ang galing ng batan to. Kaya lang ang problema, nung gumanon yung daliri, puta, may sing-sing. May sing-sing si Binluan. Di natin alam kung yung sing-sing na yan, friendship ring, couple ring, o baka jowa nito, lalaki ah. Di natin alam ah. Pucha, Binluan, matikas ka pa naman, baka naman bottom ka ha. Ayusin. Ang daming wala na, ang daming sumama ang loob dito. May sing-sing, may asawa na eh. Wala na, Binluan.
Here, you know this. Are you appearing today by virtue of a subpoena or no subpoena?
There's no written subpoena, but there is a verbal announcement from the Honorable Court that I will be a witness.
So, umamin na naman. He's there, not being subpoenaed. He was invited, pumayag naman siya, abogado ka eh. No, issue a subpoena and I will appear. Pero hindi. Nung na-imbita siya, punta siya kaagad. Hindi naman yan in aid of legislation eh. Even in aid of legislation, sinusubpoena yung tao para pumunta doon at mag-testify. So if you're not subpoenaed, yung pinagsasabi mo dyan, ano yan?
in today's hearing.
Your Honor, the question of the defense is misleading.
Ay, na misleading na. Puta, lumabas na si Panis na Laway. Oh. Ayan na, lumapit na, tumulong na. Yung estapador, may utang kay Inday Sara, walang hiya na yan. Oy, salamat. Ay, salamat. May nagpakulay din. Punyemas na yan.
It is apparent that last week a subpoena was issued to the witness, Your Honor, and it is because of the other matters that was heard and addressed by the impeachment court. The schedule of the witness was scheduled to today.
Your Honor,
The objection is overruled. First, asked and answered, and for the record and information of the senator judges, the presiding officer confirms that no subpoena was issued to Director Matibag. In fact, I asked if one was needed, and the response I got was that it was not necessary. But indeed, the chair also confirms that the name of Director Matibag was requested to be invited by the counsel by the prosecutors, and he was so named by the presiding officer to attend in, I believe.
considering that there's no subpoena, I'm just wondering how it works. Did you coordinate with any of the prosecutors in relation to your appearance in today's proceedings?
Well, we conducted some meetings on this matter.
You mean
Dito, ang pinatutunayan na ni Binluan dito, so walang subpoena. So, paano nag-set up? Hindi ka naman witness kasi wala kang subpoena eh. You're just invited. So, in what capacity are you here for? And, paano? Nagkwentuhan kayo, pumunta kayo doon, nag-practice kayo, nag-rehearse kayo, nag-practice kayo nung sayaw, gano'n. Para sabay-sabay yung kumpas nyo, gano'n ba yun? Sabi ko nga sa inyo, durog siya dito sa bata. Law Dean. Tinanong siya, are you a lawyer? Yes, 29 years. I'm also a dean. Law Dean din siya. Can you explain the rules of... Ano ba yun? Oy, maraming salamat sa nagpakulay. Nakalimutan ko na tuloy sasabihin ko dahil sa nagpakulay. Pag may kumukulay talaga. Kay Pinky Fairy, tsaka kay Butterfly, ha? Maraming salamat sa inyo, ha? Para kayong talaga, ha? Para kayong mga... so, ano ba yun? Yung rules on evidence. Ayan. Yes, I'm 29 years. So, in your 29 years of being a lawyer and being a law dean or dean of law, what is article ganito of Mama Mia, salamat. What is article ganito of rules of evidence? Tangina, hindi niya alam. Hindi niya alam. Kindly refresh my memory. Mampu siya, Lodin. Mantakin mo, Lodin ka. Tapos investigador ka pa. Tapos si Josephine Cuenco. Sabi niya pa, magandang umaga, Boss Dada. Napaka-bias ng witness. May statement na. Walang personal knowledge. Selective investigation. Hindi tayo lawyer pero marunong tayo makaintindi ng batas at sa trial discussion. Yan nga yung sinabi ni Cayetano na babae, si Pia Cayetano. Ang gagaling na ng mga Pilipino. Parang mga abogado na yung mga Pilipino sa galing. Hindi nyo na maloloko. Di ba? Eto na. Ayan na nga. Sabi, rules on investigador ka. Rules on evidence, hindi mo alam. Hindi mo sa ulo. Dapat Bible mo yan. Dapat alam mo yan. Parang preamble yan. We, the sovereign people. Ba't ganun ka? Oo, pero ito hindi niya alam. Din ka, tas di mo alam. Investigador ka pa. Yung rules on evidence, hindi mo alam. Ang saklap nun, bes.
prior to your appearance to this honorable court, you met with certain members of the prosecution?
Yes, twice, when I was informed that I will be a witness on the pre-trial order.
All right. Did you meet with the private prosecutors or the public prosecutors?
With the chairman of the committee, with the Congresswoman Jerry Miller.
And you are confirming in open court that you discussed or you were briefed in that meeting based in your testimony? What was the... Okay, you can explain.
Yeah,
Natataranta na siya eh. Natataranta na si boss eh. Maricel. Maradag. Maraming salamat sa iyo at saka kay Nabudol. Nabudol ka. Natataranta na siya eh. So, ibig mong sabihin, sir, mayroon na kayong connivance na itong mga ito? Sabi mo na ipag-coordinate ka sa Kongreso yung ng Justice Committee. So, anong investigasyon yan? Anong motivasyon ng investigasyon na yan? Anong motivation ng inyong investigation at ng inyong mga pinaggagawa ngayon? So, yan? Kalaban nyo lang talaga si Inday Sara kaya nyo ginagawa to? Ganon?
well, I'm a lawyer and I know where you're going. There was no discussion or coaching. We just discussed.
Napikon na. I'm a lawyer and I know where you're going. You're a lawyer. Tinanong ka ng rules on evidence. Hindi mo alam eh. Di ba? Kay BB Girl, salamat dyan sa Singapore ha.
Matters that's supposed to be covered by my testimony. Because I'm a director, I will be testifying. Of course, they will want to know what will be the nature of my testimony. In the same way that when you want to present me as your witness, I will be more than willing to sit down with the defense counsel.
Your Honor, I take exception to that. I don't think Director Matibag knows where I'm going. In fact, I'm moving on to a new point.
Ayun. Asumero. Alam ko na kung saan ka papunta, we. Saan ako pupunta? Sa Mega Mall? Hindi. Tao Green Hills. Mali ka dyan. Ayun, problema kasi attorney eh. Director, yan ang problema. Mahilig tayo mag-assume. Akala natin alam natin lahat. Pero hindi nyo alam lahat.
Later, Honor, I don't think we are calling him as a witness. So these are facts that only he assumes.
No,
And we
but
want to say that for the
Diba? Only he assumes. Mahilig ka mag-assume, sir. Huwag ganun. Kailangan doon tayo sa facts. Huwag niyong pinangungunahan. Oh, pahiya na naman siya dito. Sabi ko nga sa inyo, yung galing neto ni Binluan. Binluan, ba't nag-asawa ka kagad? Kung kasi hindi ka muna nag-asawa, makakaasawa ka 10. Sabay-sabay. Papayag sila sa isa't isa sa galing mo.
record, Your Honor.
Witness will not argue with the counsel.
sorry, Your Honor.
Kindly move on,
Yes,
counsel for the respondent.
All right, let's just move on, Director Matibag. The NBI is under the DOJ, correct?
That is correct.
And the DOJ is under the Office of the President, correct?
That is correct.
Now, BBM, in short, BBM has control and supervision over both NBI and the... Your Honor, sorry, I'm hearing comments from the prosecution. I don't mean any disrespect to the President. It's just for purposes of abbreviation, I'm just calling him BBM. But at any rate, I'll move on to my question. So BBM has control and supervision over both...
Parang hinihik. Oy, Karil. Salamat sa iyo dyan, Singapore, ha. Hinihingal na. Hinihika na si Sir. Oy, sana natulog ka na lang kasi sa bahay, Sir, eh. Nakisali ka pa dyan, sobrang sikat mo na. Lahat na ng interview na, nandun ka. Oo, mano ba naman pinalagpas mo ito? Ayan tuloy, lumabas pa tuloy ngayon yung hidden agenda nyo.
NBI and the DOJ, correct?
O, wag ka magagalit sa amin. Nagre-react lang kami sa balita. Ha? Yan man, yung performance mo na nakita namin, wag ka magagalit, ha? Baka patrabaho mo kami. Baka bukas makalaway, patawag mo na kami sa NBI, ha? Walang ganon, sir. Kung hindi ka sana nag-appear dyan, kung hindi ka sana nagkalat dyan, di sana hindi ka tinatapi. Kung ayaw mong itapi ka, wag kang lumabas sa media. Trabaho ka lang, ganun. Wag ka na pa-interview ng pa-interview. O, para hindi kayo man. Ganun din yung mga congressman. O, kung ayaw nyo na binapatikos kayo ng mga tao sa mga pinagagagawa ninyo, huwag kayo mag-congressman, huwag kayo mag-mayor, mag-governor, mag-presidente, vice president, huwag ka NBI director. Kung ayaw ninyo na makikita namin na may ginagawa kayong hindi ka buti-buti. Huwag kayong pikon, ha? Ano lang to? Content lang ito.
That is not exactly correct. Only on the matter of appointments, but we enjoyed independence in the
Elma,
matter
thank
of
you.
investigation.
I'm glad you mentioned that. Do you confirm that you're an appointee of BBM?
Well, it's only the president who can make an appointment. I think it is provided for in the
Oh,
law.
what's the answer?
Yes.
Yes, okay.
Yun tayo yung sinasabi. Are you an appointee of BBM? It's a yes or no question. Hindi mo na kailangan lagyan ng palabok kasi pag nilagyan mo pa ng palabok, ibig sabihin dumidepensa ka na kagad eh. Dumidepensa ka na kagad, kau talaga.
And so my question to you is this: did BBM participate in the NBI's investigation in any way?
No.
No. All right. So don't you consider your appointment as NBI director as participation on the part of BBM?
No.
No. All right. You mentioned a while ago that after the affidavit of investigation,
Gigil na si Director Matibag. Palagay ko bukas may kaso na to si Binluan. Binluan, diniin mo naman masyado. Tapos matutuloy pa yan mamaya. O malapit na magsimula yan.
it was submitted to the DOJ for evaluation, correct?
Further evaluation and finding if there's enough reason to file a case before the regional trial court or the proper courts.
All right. And during your direct testimony, you also mentioned that as we speak, it is still pending, correct?
That is correct.
All right. Now, in other words, in terms of formal charge to be filed in court, that is still not available at this time, correct?
It's in the jurisdiction of the National Prosecution Service, which is under the Department of Justice.
But insofar as the case that the NBI filed with the DOJ, is it not the case that that charge does not include contracting for the assassination?
That is correct. What was filed was grave threat and inciting to sedition.
So in other words, at this point, VP Sara is not being made to answer for contracting for assassination, correct?
That is exactly what that my testimony covered. That she is being investigated for contracting a person to kill the president. And that is a continuing threat not only to the life of the president, but to the national security of our country.
Not responsive, Your Honor. My question is if she's already being made to answer.
Daming sinasabi, daming esab. Ang daming ebas. Ang tanong, ito, kung ano-ano yung sinasagot, propaganda. Wala tayo eh. Ganon. Sumunod tayo sa batas. Pag tinanong, sumagot lang. Hindi yung, this is a continuing threat. This is a threat to national security. You know who's the threat sa national security? Bongbong Marcos. Bongbong Marcos is a threat to every Filipino. Why? Yung sister niya, sinabi, addict siya. Addict siya. So ikaw ba bilang NBI director, hindi mo pwedeng i-compel or sabihan yung presidente na, sir, pa-drug test ka. Kasi may chismis na addict ka. So, presidente ka pa naman ng Pilipinas. Mahirap naman siguro kung nagdadrive ka ng bayan tapos sabog ka. So, patunayan natin, sir, okay lang ba? Did you even ask your boss for that? Hindi. So, ayun yun. Ayun lang naman yun, sir, eh. O kung ano yung tanong sa'yo, sagutin mo na lang. Dami nating paikot-ikot, paligoy-ligoy.
To that particular charge.
Made to answer counsel, meaning has she been subpoenaed?
I'll be more specific. Has she been subpoenaed in terms of contracting for assassination?
Well, in this impeachment court, she's being on trial.
Di yung impeachment court. On trial. Di. Ang tanong, si NBI ba, sinubpina nyo ba si Inday Sara dahil dito sa sinasabi ninyo na contracting, na may kinontrata siya, nag-iimbestiga kayo eh. So, meron bang kinontrata talaga si Inday? Mga ganon. Wala.
And that is very well covered by the articles. To me, as a lawyer, not only as an NBI director, and as a former dean, that is a betrayal of public trust to me. Because you made an oath of office that you will protect, defend the Constitution.
Sa'yo, kung pagbabasihan natin ikaw, ano ka nga, may bias ka na nga eh. Meron kang 3 column na sinulat against kay Inday Sara. Tapos, yung asawa mo, ini-impeach pa si Inday Sara. Hindi nga namin maintindihan kung bakit at kung saan nanggagaling yung galit mo kay Inday Sara. Hindi ko alam kung yung mga column mo ba na yun na ginawa, application na ba yun sa administrasyon para ilagay ka sa posisyon. Hindi natin alam. Oo. So, kung ikaw talaga ang pagbabasihan, galit ka kay Inday Sara. So, lahat ng gawin ni Inday Sara sa'yo, mali. Kaya ka nga hindi senator judge eh. Kaya ka nga nagsasalita in favor of the prosecution kasi galit ka kay Inday Sara. That's the whole point. So, lumabas din sa'yo na ako yan, kung ako, not just an NBA director, a law dean, and a lawyer. To me, what Inday Sara did is betrayal of public trust. O, natural, sasabihin mo yan, galit ka nga kay Inday Sara. Hindi na issue. Alam na namin yun, sir. Alam na namin. Sagutin mo na lang yung tanong ng abogado.
Execute laws. Do justice to others.
Tatawa na si Binluan eh. Taina, nag-ano na siya, nagme-meltdown na siya eh.
Director Matibag, let the court intervene at this juncture. That is not responsive to the question.
Diba? Even the presiding officer is saying, what you're saying now is not an answer to his question, but you're manifesting, and it's as if sinintensyahan mo na yung tao. So kung ikaw nag-iimbestiga ka, tapos may bias ka, saan pupunta yung investigasyon mo? O di ang pupuntahan ng investigasyon mo dahil may bias ka, kung nasaan yung bias mo. Galit ka kay Inday Sara. So kahit na anong mga ginagawa niyang mabuti, hindi mo titingnan yon, lahat ng titingnan mo masama lang. So may credibility ba yung investigasyon mo kay Inday Sara? Hindi. Kasi nga galit ka kay Inday Sara. Galit yung asawa mo kay Inday, pinai-impeach siya, tapos ikaw may mga column ka against kay Inday, tapos iniimbestigahan mo siya. Oh, so personal yung galit mo kay Inday Sara. Kaya kahit naman wala talagang dapat ikaso kay Inday Sara, hanapan mo ng kaso si Inday Sara, sumulat ka na ng 3 column na binababoy mo siya eh. Tama, mali.
Counsel, kindly just answer the question. Has the NBI issued a subpoena against the Vice President with respect to the crime of contracting a killer, allegedly?
At this point, Your Honor, not yet.
Not yet. Okay.
Please proceed, Counsel.
That's enough. So
Lang naman pala yung sagot eh. Ang dami mo pang paligoy-ligoy, sasagutin mo lang pala, hindi nyo pa siya pinapatawag. Kasi hindi niya kailangan ipatawag. Bakit mo pa ipapatawag? Buo na sa isip niya na may kasalanan si Inday Sara.
subpoena as of now. But in other words, has there been any affidavit of investigation relating to contracting for assassination?
My understanding is there was a subpoena issued at the time during the investigation to the Vice President, and the lawyer submitted an affidavit.
No. Again, not responsive, Your Honor. I'm talking about an affidavit of investigation executed by the NBI.
Not
in
yet.
terms of, not yet. Okay. So at this point,
Simple yung tanong, hindi masagot. Dean. Law dean yan ha. Being a lawyer and a law dean.
would you agree with me that the DOJ has not found any basis for contracting for assassination?
Wala pa po sa yun.
Alright.
Wala pa. Pero kay Matibag meron na. So wala. Walang kaso sa NBI, walang kaso sa DOJ. Wala. Totoo ba yung may kinontrata siya? Wala. Narinig lang nila. Mukhang totoo dahil sinabi no joke eh. That's it. But can you prove that in court? Wala. Meron ba kayong hawak na mga tao na makapagpapatunay na talagang merong kinontrata? Wala. Meron ba kayong kontrata na nakita na talagang may pinirmahan? Kontrata, kasi kontrata ibig sabihin may kasulatan yan. Wala.
So at this point, as of today, there's simply no evidence to warrant the filing of a formal charge for contracting for assassination, correct?
That's why kung babalikan po natin yung aking testimonya, this is a continuing and an open investigation.
Continuing an open investigation pala bakit kinini-disclose mo na? Wala na, tapos na boxing. Sabi ko nga sa inyo wala namang ibang magpapahamak sa kanila kundi yung mga sarili lang din nila Wala namang iba hindi ba?
Kami ang boses ng masa, hindi natatakot. Katotohanan lang, di kami nalulunod. Walang bahid ng sismis, lahat ay totoo. Kahit sino ka pa, pag mali ka babanatan ka. Walang pinipili kulay, wala kaming kinikilingan. Basta para sa bayan, kami lalaban. Pag tama palapakan, pag mali banatan. Di matitinag, di matatakot, para sa bayan tuloy ang sigaw. Sa harap ng kamera, walang halong takot. Mga baluktot, lahat kayo'y tutumba. Ang hustisya at totoo, yun lang ang mahalaga. Kahit sinong harang, di kami matitinag. Walang pinipili